good weekend. So I've not got much further on with my French knots, mainly because Phillipa sent some advice on how I can get my French knots neater, and I wanted to show you. I haven't yet done the petals on this flower, but I thought I would show you the French knot and I will fill in the petals later today. So Phillipa's advice is I'm going to go up like I was before. I'm going to go down to halfway, pull it tight, and then keep hold, and then I'm going to pull it through. Up. So I'm going to go down to halfway, pull it tight, and then we're going to keep hold, and then with the wool hand pull it through to make it neater. Feels quite strange doing it that way, but it works. It makes it nice and neat. Phillipa is always right, as she's an expert in this, so I'm going to take her advice on this. And it does make it a lot neater. So you go halfway and then keep in hold and then pull it through like that. Round, there. Pull it tight. Pull it tight. Go. Pull it tight. Does feel odd doing this without the petals. I don't know if it's a bad thing I'm doing it this way, but I wanted to make sure I could show you it properly. Because if you're new to this like me, you might have made that mistake too. And it does make a difference. I think it also feels weird because the hand you use your needle with is probably your stronger hand. So I'm right-handed and I use my right hand for the needle, so it feels weird then taking your left hand to do it. But it makes it neater, which at the end of the day is what we all want. An extra one here. So that's that colour, and we're just going to move on to the second colour to finish off the middle of the petal. We're moving on to the second colour. So I'm going to go hold it tight. Oh, I'll just get this little bit out of the way. Hold it tight. And then we're going to bring that hand underneath. I don't know if I did it tight enough on that one. Hold it tight. in there. And there is the final centre. As you can see, it is more raised. I don't know if that you can tell that just because the petals aren't on or because of how the knot's been done this time. I've done it properly this time. So yeah, you can tell it's a lot neater and a lot tighter. So I'm going to go and put the petals onto this one. So tomorrow I'll be showing you that, and we'll have a finished look at the flowers, and we'll really probably be able to see the difference even better. And then tomorrow we're going to be carrying on with some long and short stitches, soft shading, and we're going to be working on the leaves around the stem and the flowers. So I'll see you tomorrow.